In this video, let's see how to create and manage an opt-in form using the modal interface. Click on More in the navigation bar, then select Opt-in Form. Click the Create New Form at the top right corner. In the modal, enter a name for the form in the Name field. Enter a description for the form in the Description field. Click the Next button to proceed to the next step of the form creation. Enter the label for the form field in the modal. Click the Next button in the modal to proceed. Type in the heading for the form content in the modal. Enter the subtext for the heading in the modal. Fill in the text for the Submit button in the modal. Click the Next button in the Form Content modal to proceed to the next step. Click the Submit button in the Form Styles modal to save the style settings. Click the Copy icon on the form card to copy the embed link to the clipboard. Close the confirmation message by clicking the X button in the top right corner of the message. Click the Edit pencil icon to modify the selected opt-in form. Enter the desired form name in the Name field within the Edit Form modal. Click the Next button on the modal to proceed to the next step of form editing. Click the Form Styles tab in the modal to switch to the form styling options. Click the Update button on the modal to save the changes made to the form styles. Click the Trash bin icon to delete the selected form from the list. Click the Delete button in the confirmation pop-up to proceed with deleting the form.